Hey guys, so this is the pot roast. It's so easy. It just takes some time, and these are the ingredients you're going to need. So you're going to start off with your crock pot, and I use these Reynolds kitchen liners to make it super easy so that nothing gets stuck to the pot. You're going to go ahead and use the ranch seasoning. You're going to have a packet of Au Jus Gravy. You're going to have 1 stick of butter. Any butter that you like is fine. You're also going to use some pepperocini peppers. I use about 5 of them. And then this nice big fat chuck roast. I got them for Walmart for $12. Super, super good. I'm going to go ahead and cut them up, cut the chuck roast in pieces and just put it on one layer at the bottom. If there's anything left over, just go ahead and put, it right on top. But it's super easy. Just cut them in chunks so that it's easier to cook and it cooks a little faster this way as well. So just cut them up in chunks. If you are lazy, you can just put the whole thing in, but it takes a little longer that way. Once you have all of the pieces in there, you're going to go ahead and take your Au Jus, I don't know how to say that, Au Jus Gravy, and just going to put the whole packet in on top of there. You don't have to do anything fancy. Then you're going to take some ranch dry seasoning. You're going to go ahead and put that in there as well. And I don't really measure anything. I just kind of put some in there. And you're going to go ahead and take 5 pepperocini peppers. I do about 5. If you like it spicier, you can do it a little more. But since the kids are eating it, I'm just putting in 5. They're tiny. I'm going to take the stick of butter. I'm going to add the stick of butter. And put it right on the top so it can melt over. And that's really it. You're going to close it and you're going to put it on low. And you're going to cook this on low for about 5 to 6 hours. I like to do it about 6 to 7 hours. And then after that, you're just going to stir it a little bit. You see how it's already cooking really well, but it's not broken up yet. Then you're going to put it on high for 3 hours, and then you're going to see it's going to come out like this. Once you see that it comes out like this, it is perfectly done. Enjoy.